Hi, this is ForexDiva Bublee here. Just wanted to show you, let me share my screen, wait. Share screen. Yeah, I think the screen is already shared, sorry. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, it's a day chart. Last night I just put on this entry order. Let me zoom in. Yeah, I just put an entry order at the close of that last day's bar, and so that it's going down, because it was a good entry order. The Bollinger Band, it's a double Bollinger Band, and it was peaking inside the double Bollinger Band on the lower side, and the EMAs 5 and 10 were also, 5 was below the 10, so that was one of my trigger points that I get in the trade if that happens. So last night I put in the order. Today it has gone all the way down. I normally just leave the limit, or as free, or I can put the limit as 50, or I can just let it run and take the limit out, or I'll see if it passes. It is still there to the low of that last low. Yeah, that's the support line. Yeah, so let's see how that goes. I'll leave that trade today. I'll not touch it. Leave it for the day, and let's see how that figures out. Just wanted to share with you this trade. Okay, take care. I hope you're having a good time. Happy trading. Peep, love, whatever. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now. Now the time is off now.